Alright, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you once again to Scatter Physics, your number one solution in physics calculation. So we are still in dimension continuation. Which of the following physical quantities has a dimension that is the same as the dimension of what? Young modulus. Then we have the options A to what? E. So first of all, I will list the options that's with their dimension. I'm going to list the options from A to E with their dimensions so that once we are done with solving, we will know whether we can choose from there the one that is the same with what Young modulus. So let's go with the first one. Force. Force. The dimension of force is what? M L T raised to the power minus 2. Then dimension, we go to what? B, momentum. Then dimension of momentum is what? We have M L T raised to the power minus 1. Then C, density, which is equal to M L raised to the power minus 3. Pressure equals to what? M L raised to the power minus 1 T minus 2. Then area is equals to what? L raised to the power 2. So with this, let's dive into solving Young modulus. So we have formula for Young modulus is equals to what? Stress over what? Strain. Stress over what? Strain. Then stress, formula for stress. Stress is going to give us what? Pressure, which is, we have force over area. That is formula for what? Stress. Then strain is equal to what? Change of what? Length over what? Original length. So if we look here now, we will see that strain is what? Dimensionless. So if we look at stress, which is force over area, then if we go again, we see that first of all, let's solve it before we can be able to determine which one has this. So we go for again force, which is what? MA, mass times acceleration, all over. Area is what? Length times breadth. So now we come again. Mass, acceleration is what? Velocity all over what? Time over what? Length times what? Breadth. Again, mass times, well, formula for velocity is what? Distance all over what? Time over time. This time over what? Length times breadth. So now come again. We now apply the three basic quantities in dimension, which is length, mass, and what? Time. So our mass is what? M times what? Distance is what? L. T is time. T again, time. All over what? Length is for what? L. Breadth is L. So we have M times LT raised to the power minus 1. T raised to the power minus 1 times L raised to the power minus 2. So now bringing the like terms together, we have M times L times L minus 2 times T minus 1 times T minus 1. So we have invisible 1 here. So equals to M times 1 minus 2 is what? L minus 1 times minus 1 minus 1 is going to give us T minus 2. So we have the Young modulus equals to M L minus 1 T minus 2. So if we look here now, we see that with this thing that we got, the dimension of Young modulus, we look from the listed dimension that I have here, you will see that it has the same what? Dimension with what? Pressure. So the answer is what? D. So if you go back to our previous video, you will be able to see all our calculation on force, momentum, density, pressure, and area, where we have solved it, how we got what? The dimension. So we are going to stop here for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and share to your friends. See you next time.